Roxtec is the world leader of cable and pipe sealing solutions for harsh environment. We are present in over 30 countries globally with 800 people. We have a turnover about $200 million and are growing rapidly. If the server goes down, wherever it could be in Australia and the US, before the cloud, we needed to have someone watching out and to have someone fixing it. Now, peace of mind. The company needs to be able to invoice. We need to deliver goods. We need to service our customers. And therefore, it's key to have a stable system. And with cloud, we have a 24/7 promise. IFS Cloud solution has provided us immediate return on investment. Firstly, cost saving and time-wise. But I'm sure in the long run that we will see some kind of revenue growth coming out of this as well. I mean, we have had a good cooperation with IFS. We've been on IFS in 20 years, and the past upgrades or implementation has been on budget and on time, and the cloud was no difference to that.